Hi guys, welcome back to another Pack Orders with me. In today's video, we've got 5 orders to pack. I know usually it's 10, but this is finally getting me caught up. So 5 to pack today, and I know I've got like 20 sitting in a queue, but this is just what I was able to accomplish today. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So the first order we have is for Ciara, and she ordered my 3,000 monthly yearly savings bundle, as well as the 1,000 one. So girl, I freaking love this. Like, you are getting ready to save so much money. So love that for her. And then also, she had previously ordered from me, and I understood something like in her order differently, but she gave me so much grace to make it right and fix it. So we've got 2 custom category placeholders, one for coordinator and one for catering, because she is in her full wedding planning stage. So thank you so much for letting me make this right for you and sending you the 2 separate instead of the 1. I can't believe I did that. So thank you so much, and we will get this packed up for her. I guess a little side note to talk a little bit while I'm packing orders here. Have any of y'all been watching America's Sweethearts on Netflix? I have been watching America's Sweethearts on Netflix because I absolutely loved the CMT version of it. But now I'm watching this one, and it's crazy and wild because I literally live 25 minutes from the star, and everything that y'all are seeing in that series, like, I've walked those halls, I've been to shows or concerts, or like my son does a football training camp out there every summer. So it's just crazy to see it all on TV. But have any of y'all been watching it, and like, how do y'all feel about it? Like, I love it, but at the same time, I'm having like a little bit of mixed feelings. Like, I cannot, and I've known this for a while, but I can't believe that these women only get paid like $500 a game. Like, that is insane to me, because how many games are there? And every single woman has to have like another job, like another form of income. But I just think it's insane that they only get paid $500. And like, I know that they're not like professional like athletes, I guess, like a football player, but like, I mean, come on, could they not be making, I don't know, an income a little bit more substantial in case like they wanted that to be their only job? Like, I don't know, like, is $3,000 to $5,000 too much to ask for like the visibility and the fitness and like everything that's going on with them? Like, I feel like $5,000 a month is not too much to ask per cheerleader. I mean, I don't know. But this is off to Missouri. Thank you so much, Ciara. This next one is for Simone, and she ordered my custom category envelope placeholders, and we've got 5 of them. So we've got transportation, destination, food and beverages, souvenirs, and activities. So we'll get this wrapped up for her. But yeah, back to that little bit of a TED Talk over there. I don't know, it blows me away that they get paid so little for the type of limelight that they're in, and how famous, honestly, the Dallas Cowboy cheerleader brand is. It's just really interesting that they can't afford to pay them more. And like, I'm on episode 3 right now, and I am shocked. I mean, I've known this to be true, but actually seeing one of the girls on there, the fact that she is an orthodontist. Yes, that sticker just flew at me. She is a doctor, okay, guys? Full-fledged doctor, making time because it's her passion or something that she just wants to achieve as a goal, whatever have you, to be a Dallas Cowboy cheerleader and an orthodontist. What? Just crazy. So dogs are gonna go wild like they do. I don't know. That's just my woman activist support going out to these women. I think it's a little bizarre that the Dallas Cowboy franchise, it just comes back with like, you know, it's an opportunity, and it's like, you know, an opportunity of a lifetime. They come to us because they want the opportunity, not the pay. I'm like, but can it be both? I don't know. That's just me. Rant over. And this is it for Simone's order. And it's headed out to New York. So thank you so much, lady, for your order. Next, we have Sheila's order, and she is returning. So thank you so much, lady. She ordered my water month ahead, the holiday bundle of my category placeholders, my Star Notes tracker right here, and then also 4 of the custom category envelope placeholders. So we've got those right here for Prime Day. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited because I think you're literally maybe the second person to actually order Prime Day, and it's coming up, girlfriends. So Prime Day, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and Super Bowl. So you are gonna be fully prepared for all of those fun events. I'm just gonna stick that guy back here. Oh, and she left me a note. She says, I love your products, your videos, and how you conduct yourself with the negative commentary. You are first class, and I'm proud to follow you and support your small biz. This is now my second order, and I'm afraid I like your products too much. Thank you so much, Sheila. I know the struggle is real, and I really do appreciate that note. Like, thank you so much. I am going to write a note back to you real quick. So I'm gonna do this real quick. Okay, this order's off to Michigan. Thank you so much, Sheila, and I hope you love all your new items. Next, we have Santa's order, and she ordered my yearly bundle, the 3,000 yearly monthly savings challenge. She also ordered 2 of my Star Notes trackers, so I love this. You must have somebody else that is sharing the joy with you. And then also my Roll the Dice savings challenge. And she did choose the clear pink dice. Let's go ahead and get this for her. Okay. Okay, so that is it for Santa's order. Thank you so much, lady, and this is off to Connecticut. Lastly, we have Diamond's order, and she selected my clear cardstock holiday bundle. So I've got that right here with all 4 of those holidays. Okay, this order is off to Delaware. Thank you so much, Diamond, for your order. Okay guys, well that is it for today's video. Thank you so much. If you've stuck around to this point, go ahead and leave me a butterfly emoji. I love butterflies over here. So thank you guys so much for your continued support. And if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you are not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button right here to the right of your screen. It's a little picture of my face. And I look forward to seeing you guys in my next one. Bye.